Another Russian drum unit here. What you have here is the Sound Auto Drummer, which again features in the book Rhythm Machines, and there's an entry for it here. Book now available from Amazon early 2017. Sound Auto Drummer was made in the Soviet Union around about 1989. As you can see, the controls are typical Russian controls, very primitive. There are 3 hand control buttons next to the start stop, which is conveniently in English. Maybe this was an export model. Tom sound, Tom 2. There is a clap sound. It's a 1 in a million clap sound. On this particular model it plays about 1 in a million times that I press this button. And these are all the preset features here. There are individual volume controls for the hi-hat, snare, the toms and the claps. And unfortunately this unit appears to be defective and you can't actually hear the snare or the claps, apart from the 1 in a million times previously mentioned. On the rear panel, conveniently 4 DIN type outputs, including an output here, main master output, and outputs for Tom 1, Tom 2 and the snare drum, which on this particular model don't actually work. So this is a DIN socket wired up to the amplifier. There's also a switch here which I believe is for alternate rhythms for the presets, and we'll find out in a minute how well that works, or not. Pressing the start stop button. It's the hi-hat sound coming through, which of course you can remove. I do have the snare on maximum, but unfortunately it doesn't work on this particular model. Also has several fill-in features down the bottom here of indeterminable quality. Just a bass on its own. You can't actually control the volume of the bass either. Excellent tempo dial here, featuring on many Russian kettles over the years, no doubt. With downbeat line. And there you have it, the Sound Auto Drummer